Igbo never na game taking kwa mona because video one na nwoke anu na trend kwa na social media. And ibe bia chike igbakọ ihe okwu mana okwulu eziokwu mana okwulu with iwe. Okwulu eziokwu mana okwulu with iwe. Omaro m ihe bụ na some of ndị buy na feed on controversy and violence. So igwe ijigwo nwaanyị nke bụ eziokwu enwere ndị ọwụ na ani ona Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime enwere ndị ọ na-enye ego. This is the honest truth. Isi na asị welugodi ihe mee na Benue State wee malụ. Benue State ka ndị eseme na ma gburi ka ogbu ihe niile egbu. Mmadụ pụtazie ka ọ sọpọtụ gọọmenti rezie ahịa and buildings ọ ya alụlọ ndị mmadụ. Government na-enye estimate of 3.something billion naira eji welia, while estimate of this guy at the end of the day ya with 65 million. So people nearly will aji eli nne because when we report pata we na akọwa that na a lot of people na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na abịa court nwere ndị ọ na-benefit very very well. That is why we ojiji eji ya nwere ndị ọ na-enye because ịbịa check ibe injustice. Yes, ki okwu injustice now. Gwekene m one of the things na me aka jide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. After a lot of people na akwu akwa na emela akwa injustice mana you cannot be able to speak against this one because na nke anụwa agbasara gị. Enwere ha need ịmụta actually ikwu eziokwu si kwuo ya n'isi. Don't just inwene ije na je pit around the bush maka na agbasara gị o maka na nke a mechita gị chọọ ka divert ya dị okwu no. Actually ikwu eziokwu kwuo eziokwu ahụ n'isi regardless who is involved. Regarding who is involved. Enwere ndị ya bụ na ọ bụ na pastor ka eji onye isi jide akwa for example. A lot of all these online bloggers are here na-ekwu because ha isi jide ha n'ọka ha si eme. I support him here Soludo Mali. Yes, I support him. Si jikeke na ụmụazị ka ha kwụsị ịlafu ndị bai. Mana for how long? This is 1 year now. Onwebere ihe for against them. Okay, why not charge them? Why not okay? Onwebe ha ifu ngwa na wazi ya no. Akwa ite of everything ka ha nabala onwe ha. The same thing kwa ka anyị na-ekwu maka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mmadụ na-atọ commit the same offense. And somebody, there are two people also no na this country can now commit the same offense and as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committee. Man, those two people can go, so which means a total of 5 people commit the offense, a treason offense in this country. And the rest na go scot free. So for you no name can go balege ha gomi Asari Dokubo Sunday Igbo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kekwa onye ọzọ. Enwere onye ọzọ make ha mmadụ 5. Enwere onye ọzọ make ha mmadụ 5. Mana everybody may gịnị na agala onwe ha. So ofu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime. Juke na onwe gị nya bụ ihe ọ dị mma. Nya bụ ihe ọ dị mma. Ka ọ dịkwan.
See, let me tell you something. I know they fear anybody for here. But if I must say this thing, I'm going to say my mind. The fact is, and what is informing my mind is the fact that nobody lives here forever. I'm going to speak to Igbo people. And I'm going to tell you this. Nnamdi Kanu was a mistake that happened to you Igbo people. Was a mistake. Why do I say it's a mistake? It's a mistake in the sense that despite the fact that all these things that this guy have stated some years ago that is happening now, a bunch of you mother cannot even rally round to defend and protect and ensure the fact that he's been liberated. I'm telling you, it's a mistake. That is to say, the Igbo people are not worth sacrificing for. They are not worth dying for in any way. Because at the end of the day, they are bunch of talkatives that doesn't translate into reality. And if I must say the truth, I'm going to say my mind today. I don't know whether I'm living, I'm going to live, how long I'm going to live or whatever. I'm going to say that I even appreciate the likes of them gentle Yahoo than a bunch of you idiots, a bunch of you that create flimsy excuses in regards why you cannot stand and defend the need that this man is not supposed to be behind bars. I'm telling you, take it or leave it. I'm calling for an anarchy or whatever. But the fact is, the reality is staring you people in the eyes. And you motherfuckers are seeing it. And the best you can do is online propaganda. To come and show why we are like this, why we are like this. You are expecting a magic, whether from the US or from any other country or whatever. But the fact is, the power lies within you people. You bunch of motherfuckers that are not ready to live up to. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it takes for this man to actually go even a year without seeing his wife and his children, without his wife, to get that gratification? And you bunch of because even ordinary soludo, young buro oba has to coerce you into the need why you need to open the market for economy to prosper, despite the fact that you have your own brother that is detained while other people are still working freely. Bandits, criminals are still working freely in Nigeria. And all you have to say is, when we come out, then go us. Nigerian government not like us, whatever. Let's pay money to lobby the US. It's a shame on you motherfuckers. And the last time anybody ever come up to tell me about Biafra, tell me what you're going to do about Biafra, or the fact that Nigeria needs to reset itself to accommodate everybody. But as long as this is concerned, you people are nothing but bunch of disgrace, with just an exception of few that are ready to lend their voice in regards to this. Is this a country? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told you people that this is not a country, and we are seeing, and even the globe is seeing, that this is not a country. This rubbish is happening. This man sacrificed his life, the life of his family, for you people, and all you bunch of motherfuckers can come and do is just to capitalize on the fact that when we come, then go. Shadow don't kill him now. They don't carry and go casino, sentence him to life. And you bunch of motherfuckers are busy there in their homes, their own wives, having your own children, to see them every day, while this man cannot see his wife and his children. Do I agree with whatever he has done? I don't agree with the fact that his pronouncement or whatever has resulted to some casualties. But what has resulted to the casualties? The malhandling of the federal government of Nigeria of the situation that has translated into this. Because if the government were to handle this reasonably, it wouldn't have resulted to this. And this is a man that has a strong conviction, no matter what it takes. But you bunch of keep doing your business. The last time I see any idiot doing God a man coming to tell me why we need to do this on social media, thunder fire you. You bunch of have the resources and all it takes to liberate this man. And the fact is it going to be an easy route? It's not going to be an easy route. Just like the route he took, it wasn't an easy route. But you waiting for an easy route to take to actualize that.